Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Forum DE where data engineers are cultivated. I hope you all are doing well and learning well and also gaining knowledge with our YouTube videos on our channel Forum DE related to SQL and many other technologies that comes under the field of data professionals. Okay, so let us get back to our tool SSMS. And today we are going to talk and learn about the aggregation functions in SQL. And what I mean by aggregation function is, like sum, average, count, minimum value, maximum value. Okay, if you want to find, like, the maximum value in a column, okay, and if you find to sum of that, the the total values in a column, the minimum value. So aggregation um, uh, functions apply on a set of values and it give a single row, okay, as a combined result. So let us see. So I hope you all are familiar with this interface, and let us get back to this, okay. And I am using the use command to enter the SQL test SQL, okay, sorry, enter the database test SQL. And let us select data from the order table. So we will take it retail orders as a table as a reference to learn about aggregation functions, okay. And we will suppose we will let us take a column sales here, okay. So you can see we have sales column, we have some values here. So someone asked, suppose you have a requirement to find the maximum value in a column sales, okay. So we have a inbuilt function in SQL called max, okay. So we are on the sales column we have applied max function from, and so if I execute it, one second. Oh sorry, I think made a spelling mistake. Let me copy this. See, I have a value, maximum value in the column sales. So if I give like this, so if you are want to find the value maximum value in these number of rows, so we have, it will search all the rows and find a single value for us, and it has find a single, okay. And suppose I want to find the minimum value. So we have a inbuilt another inbuilt function min. So let me, okay, so 0.444 is the minimum value in the sales column, okay. So let me, and you, like, okay, suppose I want to find an average. So I have function name avg average, okay. Okay, so let me give an alias name to it. Alias is nothing but we have to, we are giving an alias name, a name for this, okay. No column name is coming, okay. So I will explain what is alias in detail in one of, like, in upcoming videos, okay. But sure, I will explain it. So let us take let me give it an alias sales, and as min sales, it is like giving another name, okay, a name to that column, average sales, okay. So now execute it, okay. So these are the values are coming. And another thing, suppose I want to find the sum of the values, Okay, inside the sales, let some function sales as some sales from retail orders. It is a sum. Okay, and another commonly used function is count. So count gives the total number of rows. Okay, here triple line four. If I can say triple line four. Okay, so these are some of the basic, like and most commonly used aggregation functions. Some other are also there, but in the industry, these are the maximum used, aggregation functions. Okay, and these are very important. You should be aware about the aggregation function and use of aggregation functions. And these aggregation functions we can use with other, advanced concepts of SQL, like case when statements, like Windows function. We can use these aggregation function there also. We will discuss that in our upcoming videos. Okay, we will discuss what are CTs, what are sub people joins. You know, so stay tuned with us for learning SQL and other technologies related to data engineering and for data professionals. So keep learning, keep learning, guys. And for any doubt, we are happy to help you. Comment on our comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. With every subscription, subscribe, it will give us motivation to make new videos and with more enthusiasm. And yes, thank you everyone. Keep learning.